The installation of NeuroTicks is pretty simple. You go to my GitHub and you look for the file install.sh. You copy or you download the file. Here I will copy it and insert it into a file and make it executable. If you are new to this, and a lot of people are, then simply follow the steps in this video. Finally, you simply run the installation script. After the installation is done, you will find a folder, NeuroTicks, which you navigate into. The only thing left to do here is to activate our virtual environment. All the necessary files are already in place. Since the environment is already activated, you can start the tool by executing the main program. And that's it. This is how you install and start NeuroTicks.